Hello friends. So today we start class program. We start Java first program. So how to print a hello world. Okay. So first of all, I create a class. Class. The name is I can write anything. Test one. Okay. Now, now create a function. Very famous function. The void main. Public. Static. Void main string and create a array args. You can write any name, you can provide any name, it's not a mandatory, provide only args. System dot out dot print. You can pass print or println, both. So the difference between print and println, print will print only same line, and if you use println it will print the next line. Okay, not more. So if you want to print hello world, okay, just save it. Okay, I want to share one thing more. If you you have to save your program with the same name, which is the class name, which class contain the main function. Okay, so here is a folder. I created a folder Java in the D drive. So I save this program. My class name is test1 and the extension will be Java. Fine. Okay, yes, I want to replace it, no problem. Now the time is to compile the program, so you have to open command. Okay, so here's the mention. We are the current location is the DOS promote is Manish, and the Manish directory under users, and user is in the C drive. So first of all you have to out from this directory, from this location. So cd and slash, the command to log out all the current location from the current location. Okay, from the folders. Now you have to log in, you have to open the desired location D drive. Okay, now change directory cd Java. My folder is Java, where is the stored my program, right? So to compile the program, we generally use Java C. Java C is a compiler, and my program name is test1 dot Java. Enter. If it will be, if it will never, if it yeah doesn't message, so it means it compiled properly. You can check here. You just go there, the same location on D drive. Let's check it. What is happening? It's taking so much time. Okay, D drive and open Java folder and check here is the test1 dot class, and second the test1 dot class, and second file is the test1 dot Java. Okay, it's a Java file, it's a class file. So just open the Java file. It's asking for any editor, where do you want to open this file. So I just select notepad. Okay, it's my original file, no problem. Just open a second file dot class. It's created automatically when compile the program. Okay, Just open it, right click and open. Look, it's a compiled file, it's an encrypted file. You can't read. It's a direct, you can't read directly. Okay, so now the file will run. So just go there and write here to run this program only Java and test1, only test1, just enter. Okay, so it's a hello world program.